Acer Chromebook Spin 311 CP311-3H Review. Introducing the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 CP311-3H, a versatile and compact device perfect for all your needs. Its lightweight design is smaller than an A4 paper, weighing just over 1 kilogram for easy portability. The 360 degrees hinge offers for different modes: tent, laptop, tablet, and display, adapting to your usage. The Acer Chromebook Spin 311 is a compact and versatile device that caters to students, casual users, and those seeking a budget-friendly Chromebook. Its 11.6-inch touchscreen display, coupled with a 360-degree hinge, offers flexibility for various use cases, from laptop mode for productivity to tablet mode for entertainment or note-taking. Powered by a MediaTek 8183 octa-core CPU and 4 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth and efficient performance. With 64 GB of eMMC storage, you have ample space for apps, files, and media. The 11.6-inch HD IPS display delivers sharp detail and vivid colors, enhancing your viewing experience. The display, while usable, has room for improvement. The resolution is on the lower side, which may be noticeable for some users, especially when viewing images or videos. Additionally, the bezels around the screen are relatively thick, contributing to a less modern appearance. Touchscreen capability adds convenience and flexibility, making navigation and tasks easier. Running on Google Chrome OS, it combines simplicity, speed, and security for a seamless experience. Battery life is a standout feature. The Chromebook consistently delivers impressive endurance, easily lasting through a full day of use on a single charge. This makes it an excellent choice for students or professionals who are often on the go. Access millions of apps on the Google Play Store, making it the ideal device for work and play. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for £226.98.